Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anjali and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all my Nykaa Pink Friday sale recommendations since it's starting from 21st of November. It's almost here and by the time I will be uploading this video, I think the sale will be live. So I wanted to share with you my skincare, hair care, body care, makeup, all recommendations, everything that I love and I can't do without. And in this video, I'll be not sharing my makeup favorites because otherwise the video will be too long. But apart from that, hair care, skin care and body care you will see in this video. So if you are interested, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's begin. First category that I have is hair care. I have gotten so many comments and people requesting me to share my hair care routine. So let me tell you, my hair care routine is very simple. I don't do a lot. I wash my hair twice a week. I hardly oil my hair, but when I do, I use this product from Indie. As you can see, I've used quite a bit and this is not my first bottle of it. Trust me when I say this is a magic potion in a bottle and the smell of it is amazing. It is their chumpy hair oil, and even in Nykaa it comes under the bestseller category, and it is a bestseller for a reason because when I apply, why I avoid using hair oil is because I have to use a lot of shampoo to get rid of it while washing my hair, and it becomes very irritating and I end up using so much of product that there's no use of using a hair oil if I have to end up using so much of shampoo. So that's why I don't like to oil my hair, but this is so lightweight and so nourishing. I had to go in with my shampoo twice while washing my hair and I was able to get rid of this oil in 2 washes, and that I feel like that is amazing. Next up, I have the shampoo that I use. I have these 2 shampoos with me. Both of them are from Kérastase. One is the hair fall range because in between I was having a lot of hair falls. Then I went ahead with this and I could see a difference in a month. Not immediately. You won't see a difference immediately, but yes, after using it for a month, I saw a difference. Then I went in with some treatment in my hair, and after that I started using this one. This is the plant-based protein and it has niacinamide as well in it. And since Kérastase usually don't run sales on their products, but they do have a lot of freebies that they give. So if you see that and if you want to grab it, go ahead with it. I know that these are a little pricey for everyday use, but since I don't shampoo my hair every day, I use it twice a week. These bottles last me for good 2 months. This hair mask, I feel like some people only put shampoo in their hair and they forget to use conditioner or hair mask, and then they complain that their lengths are very dry and they tend to break. The best way to stop it is to use a conditioner or a hair mask. I go in with this one again from Kérastase. Expensive but does the job. It's so good. In a single hair wash, my hair could feel the difference. But since these are a little expensive, I do have a dupe for it which also does the job and is pretty reasonable. This range from L'Oreal, this is their Hyaluron Pure range. I have the shampoo of it. I have just ordered it. I've also ordered their conditioner as well from the same range. It is amazing. Trust me, for the price point that they come in for, it is the best product out there, and if you're on a budget, please go ahead with it. Coming to hair serums, I have a lot of favorites and I'm always biased towards Kérastase because their serum is, oh my god, amazing, but it is again very expensive and I don't want to spend so much money on a hair serum. So the other alternative for it is this Olaplex Bonding Oil. This is a very small bottle, but I have been using it for a month now, more than a month, and I'm able to use only this much of it. So imagine how long this bottle will last me because I use it almost after every hair wash, or when I am styling my hair, I use it before and even after styling my hair, and it is so amazing. It gives my hair that good shine, and it also acts as a heat protectant, so it is all in one. Even their shampoo range is amazing. I honestly feel like their shampoo is good, but their hair mask is not that amazing for the price point that they come in for. So you can skip that. Then again, an alternative for Olaplex and Kérastase serum is this one from L'Oreal. This is their extraordinary oil. This is 100 ml of bottle. If you buy it once, it will last you for good 1 year, 1.5 years, even if you use it very frequently, very regularly. And it is, the MRP is 729, but I'm sure on sale you can get it on almost 50% off, so please do get it. Also, like, I style my hair very frequently, and when I style my hair, I always like to, like, when my hair is exposed to so much of heat, I like to protect it from that heat, and I use this heat protectant from Wella. This is an amazing heat protectant. It does the job. It is very budget friendly also. This was for 700 and I bought it on discount on Nykaa sale only, and I think I got it for almost 20-30% off, which is amazing, and it should be a must. It is a necessity when you are styling your hair to go in with a heat protectant. So now let's come to body care. I am going to show you everything that I use on a daily basis and have been using it for months and in some cases for years as well, and these are my go-to, and I restock them on almost every Nykaa sale that I get. So starting off with body wash, I have been using this one from Dove. This is their relaxing care nourishing body wash. It has shea butter and vanilla, and it smells amazing. Sometimes I feel like eating it, but it's not edible. Anyway, this comes, I remember I bought it on Nykaa sale only, and it is a 1 liter 1000 ml bottle, and it was buy one get one. And trust me, it has lasted me so long. This is such a good product, and especially for the price range that it comes in with. I have a very dry skin. My body is dry, my face is dry. I like to go in with products that gives me some kind of nourishment, or it just feels like I have applied some kind of oil on me to feel that hydration in my body. So this one provides me with it. This is an amazing product. When I take a shower with this, my entire washroom is smelling like this. Apart from that, Dove also have this Glow Recharge range. I recently collaborated with them, and that's how I discovered this product. And again, the smell of it is so good. It is very highly nourishing, more than this one, to be honest. It has vitamin C, so you can see a difference in your body after using it. It's a slight bit of brightness that it adds to your body, and if you keep using it for a longer duration, I'm sure that you will see a difference. I don't use it every day. I like to go in with this because I like the smell of this better. My brother and my mother, they're obsessed with this. They only use this. And on days when I feel like pampering myself, when I want to feel all luxurious, when I want to go all out, when I'm doing like a proper everything shower, this is something that I use. This is a shower oil from L'Occitane. You just need a tiniest amount of it, and it lathers so well, and it smells so amazing, and it has almond oil in it. So while taking a shower, when you use it, you can see after washing it off, there's a good layer of oil on you. Oil as in not that chip oil, but a good nourishment that you will feel on your body. It's very luxurious, it's very nice. It's the best thing out there when it comes to a shower oil. But yeah, like, I don't use it every day. I use it only on days when I feel like, you know, I want to pamper myself. And with a good moisturizing, nourishing body lotion, and I can't do without a body lotion, even in summers. Because I don't sweat a lot, my skin is always dry, so I have to apply body lotion after getting out of the shower. So this one is Cocoa Nourish, and it smells amazing. I smell of cocoa butter all the time whenever I apply this, and trust me, I've emptied so many bottles of it. I don't even remember since when I've been using it. I got this on buy one get one. This is for $565, and if you get it on buy one get one, it's like getting it on 50% off. Body, I'll just show you how it feels. We'll take a little bit of it. See how thick the consistency is, how glowy my skin looks. I love this. Also, like, when I am going out and I want that extra glow in my body, around my neck, around my arms and hands, I mix this body lotion with this body oil. This is from Plum. This smells of vanilla. This is the same range as Sol de Janeiro one, the yellow one, and it smells exactly the same, but when I mix this vanilla with cocoa, it smells amazing. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly, everyday kind of a body oil, you can use this. Now, since there are days when we feel like pampering ourselves, I like to go in with this Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. I have emptied tubs of it and I love the smell of it. I'm obsessed with the smell of this. My face wash, I have only been using these two products non-stop. I keep switching because it's not good to have the same skincare routine every day. You should switch it up once in a while. So I either use this one from Simple, which is a very light face wash. It is a very mild face wash. I do like some sort of lather on my face to get that feeling that my face is getting clean. Like this Simple one gives me that. So that's why I like to go in with this, because it is mild, gentle, and still makes me feel like my face is getting clean. If I am not using Simple, you will see me using this one from CeraVe. This is Hydrating Cleanser for normal to dry skin. And this one, not a huge fan. Main reason, not a huge fan of how it makes me feel. Like, it is a very good product. It will clean your face. It will make your face so soft and squishy. But again, it doesn't lather. It doesn't make me feel like my face is getting cleaned, but still does the job, and does the job really well. So I keep switching between CeraVe and Simple. I completely forgot about the body scrub. I like to use the Dove Body Polish Scrub. They have n number of variants in it. Like, they have so many options of the fragrance and the amount of exfoliation that you need. They have these dots, like 1 dot means less exfoliation, 2 dots mean higher exfoliation. So like this, they have the entire range. I recently finished it and it is in my cart. I'm going to order it in the sale. For now, I'm using this one from Rituals, but it is not available on Nykaa, so I'm not going to recommend you that. Now let's begin with skincare, my favorite category apart from makeup, which we are not going to include in this video. But I love skincare, and I don't do a lot because I don't have a lot of skin concerns, to be honest. Thanks to my genes, I don't get acne or I don't have any scar on my face, but I still want to take care of my skin since I'm in my late 20s now. So it feels so weird while saying this. The first thing is double cleansing. I always do it when I have applied makeup. When I have makeup on my face like I have now, I will go after this video and wash my face. So the first thing that I wash my face with when I have to get rid of my makeup, what I use is this one from Clinique. It is Take the Day Off Balm. It is the best balm, the best makeup remover out there, trust me. I had their charcoal variant as well, but it was very like, it used to irritate my eyes, but this one is amazing. This is their white one. It looks like this. It lasts for a very long time, especially for a person who uses makeup very often. It melts your makeup like anything, and even if the most stubborn makeup, like if you have waterproof mascara on, or if you have any tint on, which takes a lot of effort to get rid of if you only use micellar water, but this does the job. It actually takes out all the makeup. You have to massage it for good 2 to 3 minutes. I like to do that. If I have to give you any one suggestion for a makeup remover, I would highly recommend this. And there is one more from the Face Shop. I will tag it in the description box. By the way, I'm going to tag everything in the description box. You can check it and you can order whatever you want to order. And that one again is very good. It is a cheaper version of this one, and it comes in the liquid form, and again it is very good. It lathers so well. It cleans off the most stubborn makeup. For the micellar water, I have only one recommendation, only one micellar water. It is my ride and die. That is this one from Bioderma. You can see how much is left in this. It is almost over. I am going to restock again. So what I usually do is I start with this. I clean my face, then I go in with the Take the Day Off Balm from Clinique, and then I clean it then I clean my leftover makeup with it, and then again I go in with the face wash. That's the amount of steps that I put in after using makeup. Coming to toners, I have two recommendations, and both of them are hydrating toner, and I use them almost every day, twice or thrice a day. And this one from I Am From, see how much I have finished, and this is not my first bottle. I have emptied multiple bottles of it. It just feels like water, to be honest. Just look at the consistency of it. It's just water, and it's so hydrating. It's a very easy to use go-to product, and this is a Korean brand, by the way, and I think Korean brands are killing with their skincare products and even makeup these days. Like every time there's a new Korean brand coming up, and I am the first one to try it. Apart from that, I also have this Skin 1004 tone brightening boosting toner, which has Centella. I am obsessed with this brand because every product that this brand owns or have are amazing. Like, this is a brightening toner, and after washing my face I use a cotton pad. I can always see the dirt coming out of my face, and it actually instantly brightens up my face. I can see like a before and after difference every time I use it. Then I'm not going to recommend any serum to you guys, because I feel like it is very subjective based on what kind of skin type you have. I have a very dry skin. If you want, I can make a separate video of my skincare routine, which is very basic, to be honest. But yeah, I'm only going to recommend one serum to you, which is the vitamin C serum, because I feel like everyone should use it. You can start off with a mild vitamin C. This one from Garnier is amazing. I have a very small tube of it because I don't use it very often. I don't reach out to it very often because I have switched to a higher concentrated vitamin C, which is this one from Claire. I have been using it since my college days. This is the best vitamin C serum out there, but it is very concentrated. So if you are new to vitamin C, please start with a mild vitamin C serum. Garnier makes good, then Foxtail has really good vitamin C, and there are multiple. The plum one is really nice, so you can go and try with these and then move to and if you have been using vitamin C for a while, you can use this one from Claire's. It is very concentrated, like you can feel the heat on your face after applying it, but highly recommended. Now for the sunscreen, I'm through and through a Korean sunscreen girly, and this one from Beauty of Joseon is my go-to. Like, I have talked about it in so many videos of mine that I absolutely love this sunscreen. It has a very it doesn't feel like a sunscreen only, because usually sunscreens are so thick, but this one is so lightweight. It feels like a serum only on your skin. And for people who have oily skin, combination skin, they always feel like sunscreens are very heavy on their skin, but this one will not feel heavy or cakey at all. Apart from that, there's this sunscreen from Dot & Key. This is the Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 PA++++. Key is again a very good sunscreen. It is very water-like. As I said, for the Beauty of Joseon, you can feel that it is a serum. It is very watery, so I love the formula of it. I've already emptied one. It is a very good daily use sunscreen, and it also gives that cooling sensation on your face. Like, after applying it, you'll feel like you've applied ice also on your face, so I love that feeling. From that, if you want a very bougie, luxurious sunscreen, I highly recommend this one from Estee Lauder. You can see it's almost over. I got this in PR. I will never buy it from my own money because it is very expensive, but again, if you want to invest in a good sunscreen, and if you're okay spending so much on a sunscreen, this is an amazing sunscreen. It leaves absolutely zero white cast. It doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel sticky. It is a mineral based sunscreen. So amazing, works really well under the makeup as well. So for the moisturizer, I have 2-3 recommendations. One is this one from CeraVe. This is for dry to very dry skin, but based on your skin type, you can go in with any moisturizer from CeraVe. CeraVe does some really good skincare, mainly moisturizers. So you can check if any discount is on this. And this one from Foxtail, again amazing. This moisturizer looks really good under the makeup. My favorite moisturizer is this one from Embryolisse, and this is my go-to moisturizer if I am doing my makeup, especially my makeup and during winter times. A very good moisturizer. It gives you a very flawless canvas for your makeup as well. And if you don't want to go in with any primer, or if you don't want to have that 10 step before makeup ritual, so you can always use this one. Also, in my opinion, Laneige does the best skincare. These two from Laneige I have been using, and I am obsessed with these two sleeping masks. This one is Cica sleeping mask, and the other one is Bouncy and Firm sleeping mask. I switch between these two, but every night I make sure that I apply these two. And during winters, Cica is really amazing for your skin, and if you have a dry skin, it will hydrate it really well. And when you wake up in the morning, when you'll touch your face, you will feel like a bounce in your face. Your face will be so plumpy and juicy, so you will love it. They are sometimes almost on 50% off. Even I got these on Nykaa sale only, so please go and check Laneige as well. For the lip balm, there are so many amazing lip balms from so many brands. There are so many Korean brands, but if I have to recommend only 2 lip balms to you, I will recommend this one, Laneige sleeping mask. I don't have I have their tinted lip balm as well, but they also have the plain one. Want something with an easy applicator, you can always go in with their tube one. I don't have it with me right now. And this one again, sleeping mask, I end up using it as a lip balm only. So, this one from Indie Wild, I love this lip balm. Like I used to use one from Rhode, and trust me, Rhode has the best lip balm, but in comparison to it, this is a good substitute that has come to India. And if you want to, they also have their tinted lip balms as well. On Indie Wild website also they are running sale, so you can check them out, because Indie Wild has some really good products, like their hair oil I showed you. Their lip balm is amazing. They have also come up with their new shampoo and conditioner. I haven't used it, so I won't comment on it, but yeah, you can check their website as well. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I have recommended you the bare minimum products that I use almost every day, and under what circumstances I use it. Like if I have to go in with something that I use on a daily basis, or something when I want to feel a little, when I want to pamper myself. So based on your judgment and your requirement, please select the products. Please choose wisely. I don't promote materialism where you have to, just buy everything that is being recommended to you. Based on my recommendations and based on what you need, combine them together and then make a thoughtful purchase. And yeah, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to grow my channel over here, so a little support will be very helpful. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.